22 दिसंबर 49 की रात में चोरों की तरह उसमें मूर्तियों को रखा गया। उस वक्त के कलेक्टर डीएम ने पूजा की शुरुआत कर दी लॉक डालकर। ताले खोले गए, बगैर मुसलमानों को नोटिस दिए और सुप्रीम कोर्ट को वादा करने के बावजूद भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट की इजाजत पर शिलान्यास हुआ और 6 दिसंबर को बाबरी मस्जिद को शहीद कर दिया गया। हम यही कहेंगे कि वहां पर हमारी मस्जिद थी, वहां पर हमारी मस्जिद रहेगी। आज आप जो जगह पर काम करने जा रहे हैं वहां पर 500 साल तक मस्जिद थी, वहां पर हमने हय्या अलस सलाह और हय्या अलल फलाह की सदाएं दी। ये हम बोलते रहेंगे। मैं मर भी जाऊंगा तो मैं वसीयत करके जाऊंगा कि ये याद दिलाते रहो देश के तमाम लोगों को कि वहां पर मस्जिद थी और 6 दिसंबर 1992 को उस मस्जिद को शहीद कर दिया गया।
Are you trying to tell me that what the Prime Minister said in 2014 in Lok Sabha, 1200 years of slavery, forget about that, he's very weak in mathematics. The Muslim rule was only for 450 years. He talked about 1200 years of slavery, so who should move on? Are you trying to tell me that the killings of Mahatma Gandhi should be forgotten, let us move on? Are you trying to tell me that the butchering and genocide of Sikhs in 84 should be forgotten and moved on? Are you trying to tell me that 6 December 1992 should be forgotten and moved on? Rajdeep, what do you want from me as a community, as Indian Muslim?
I'll tell you what I want.
Where do you want me to move on? Forget about 2002 Gujarat. You should not ask this question to me because I am not responsible for the demolition of Babri Masjid. I am not responsible for the communal riots which took place in the streets of Mumbai. Do you want validation of Asauddin Owaisi for this, for tomorrow? What else do you want from me? Why is it that you always put me as a Muslim, as an Indian Muslim on a pedestal? Move on. Where do you want me to move on? Rajdeep, I am in abyss. Where do you want me to move on? Please tell me. I cannot move on further. You, people like you, people who aspire to this Hindutva ideology, where do I move on? You have suffocated me. What happened to all those secular parties? Hindu, Muslim or communal amity can only happen if the constitution is followed in principle and implemented in toto. Simple. Forget about all these flowery statements by Rajdeep Sardesai. What happens on the ground is important. Where are these secular parties now? Why are they quiet now? From 2014 onwards, in the name of love jihad, in the name of cow protection, in the name of Citizenship Amendment Act, what do you want? Who's raising a voice? Lawyers, journalists, everyone has been put in prison. All the voices have been scuttled. People have been put in prison for only dissenting. And you tell me, move on. Where do I move on? Is there a space to move on, Rajdeep? Please tell me. There is no space to move on apart from fighting in a constitutional way, in a democratic way against this government which is hell-bent on weakening the constitutional structure of this country. So long as any government does not subscribe and upholds the constitution's basic structure, where will communal amity happen?
No, 1
if
minute.
Justice is not